If you want to improve your English speaking fast using AI, you have probably heard about Fluently AI. But is it actually worth it in 2026 or just another overhyped language app? In this quick review, I'll break down its features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it is the best AI English tutor right now. So let's get right into it. What Fluently AI is. Fluently AI is an AI powered English speaking coach designed to help you practice conversations, pronunciation, and fluency in real time. And instead of traditional lessons, it simulates real conversations using voice AI so you can practice like you are talking to a real person. Key features. First, it offers real time voice conversations with AI tutors. You can choose topics like interviews, travel, business, or casual chat. Second, it gives instant feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. Pros. One major advantage is realistic speaking practice. Unlike many apps, you actually talk instead of just tapping answers. Another plus is instant corrections, which helps you fix mistakes immediately. Cons. However, it's not perfect as all we know. The free version is limited, so you will likely need a paid plan for full access. AI conversations can sometimes feel slightly robotic compared to real humans, and it mainly focuses on speaking skills, so it is not a complete all in one language course. Who it is best for? Fluently AI is best for learners who already know basic English and want to improve speaking confidence and fluency. Final verdict. So is Fluency AI the best AI English tutor in 2026? It's definitely one of the strongest options for speaking practice thanks to real-time feedback and conversation simulation. But if you want full language lessons with grammar and vocabulary courses, you may need to combine it with another app. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please consider like and subscribe and tell me down below in the comments if you have used Fluently AI or not yet. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.